Look at who became a bird again. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Look at me, I'm an underwater bird. मैं चिड़िया हूँ कि इसके हम पानी के नीचे. Yes. Must take the biggest drinks of life. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Time to fly towards my mother-in-law. Yoo-hoosh! Hey, look at that! Hello there, sir. Are you my mother? I don't think so. Hello, how are you? Well, a baby was born. A little baby is born. Eat eggs. Thank you. I will give you eggs. Not eggs, I'm gonna go fishing. Hey. Oh, I saw fish. Fish. मछलियाँ कहाँ पर है? नीचे जाओ. मेरे कान के अंदर क्या जिबड़े बोल रहे हो? What is my sister telling me into my ears? Attack! Did they get a fish? Oh, fish! I saw fish! Come here, fish, come here. Where do you think you're going, fishy? There's a fish on top of me. Get over here. You are now cornered, fishy. Yeah! I caught a fishy, gishy. For coincidental reasons. Could this possibly be? I'm gonna fly now. Oof! How fast I put that thing down. Hello, big one. I am in this station. I see another bird. There's fish. There's also a dead body over there for some reason. Hello, my brothers and sisters. Ooh. Ah. I'm here and I have fish. Here is my fish. Nom nom nom. I am eating my fish. What the? Be grateful. What did he do? Where is he? There he is. Hello there. Hello there, small. Is it him? Hi, Mom. No! One of our bird friends have died. Are you kidding me? Man. Look at what's going on here. Look at this massacre. Looks like one of my friends are coming. is one of my friends. He's a youngling. That made some weird noises.
Oh! Holy moly! Holy moly! Oh, what you got?
Hello. I'm just gonna sleep. Well, this guy is AFK. No,
His name's Nine.
I'm leaving. I'm just gonna fly my way back home. Here's my home. There is everyone. Whew, I need to take a big old rest. Hello there. How are you doing? What are you trying to do? I always have a question that is why. How does the Quetzalcoatl stand even though it has like a humongous head? That's just how does it even fly? Look at that. It says hungry Captain Noodle. If you know that reference, you're an OG. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, it's you, huh? You wait. I'm hungry, and I mean hungry for some eggs.
We are coming for you! Goodbye!
Get his eggs! Get his eggs!
Oh yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Get over here. I am sleepy. I'm gonna watch you fight. Get him. Get him! I'm gonna eat his eggs. I'm eating your eggs. I'm gonna eat your eggs.
I am eating your eggs!
Oh wait, I see it. I can see you. I can see you, little birdie. I am coming for you, little birdie. Where are you trying to hide? I can see you. Wherever you are, I will find you. I think I see you right there. No, I think you left the game. Did you actually leave the game? Your mission successful. Anyways, I'm gonna go drink some water. I haven't done that in quite a while. I used the water to break my wall. What the hell is going on? I'm gonna pretend like I'm AFK and let's see what's gonna happen. Bro, my neck is too long, I can't eat. What the? Ceratosaurus got killed by a pig. Hey, would you look at that? I'm fully grown now. Let's go terrorize some people. Well, that's it to be, And so, guys,
See you later, bye.